The next physical property that I'd like to discuss with all of you would be electrical conductivity, and I'll be here talking about the electrical conductivity of generally metals. So, like I said in my last video, metallic structure is made from neat rows of metallic cations tightly packed together, and in between within this structure, moving freely in between all the metallic cations will be this very mobile cloud of valence electrons, delocalized valence electrons. Now, you do remember, all these electrons move freely. The cations can't move. You better hope they don't move, all right? So the cations are stationary, they're tightly packed, they can't really move unless they're melted. So the electrons, all of them carry a negative charge and they move freely. So when we have charges moving within a structure, that is actually the act of a current flowing through a substance. When a current flows through the substance, we will consider that substance as being able to conduct electricity. So it is an electrical conductor. So when a piece of metal is in solid state, the electrons can travel freely with all their negative charges. So definitely a piece of solid metal can conduct electricity. Now there's one more bit. When a piece of metal is actually molten, that means you've melted it, right? Once it's melted, now even the cations of the metals are not held in fixed positions anymore because they have melted, and they are now, like the electrons, traveling freely within that metallic structure. And hence you will have the movement of charges through this metallic liquid, molten metallic structure by both the electrons as well as the cations. So when both of them, are able to move freely, you actually have massive movement of charges throughout a molten metallic structure, and hence molten metals will be able to conduct electricity as well. So just a quick recap. Metals are able to conduct electricity both in solid state as well as in molten states.